over the culture, this is more than just a phase. Feeling like tsunami, see my walls lit with the waves.
It's your boy Tsunami Timo.
Tsunami Timo.
What's poppin', Tsunami Gang? It's your boy Tsunami Timo, and I'm back at it again. In today's video, we're gonna be discussing wave kits. Plain and simple. We straight head wavers, do we need them? Can we use them? I get this question very often, so I never discussed it in a video, so I might as well. Let's get right to it. So, I took my valuable money, and I went out, and I purchased this, okay? This is a wave texturizer. You may have seen this plenty of times. Plenty of Corsair wavers use this, okay? For instance, Kitman, okay? So a few others, they use this. Not real waves, okay? You get no respect in the wave game if you use this. So, can we use this? Should we use this? Let's get right into it, okay? What does this box include? Okay, it says right here, this is made by Wave Builder, the same company I told you guys we literally should not use any of their products. Okay, it says Wave Builder, Wave Text, making Wave Text, Wave making texturizer. Okay, that already should tell you there's something wrong with this. If you have problems getting waves, or if you want more defined waves, you have found your solution wrong. Okay, maybe if you have coarse hair, you have found your solution. But if you have straight hair, this is not the solution. Super gentle, natural look formula. Easy 3-step process. Works in minutes. What? Perfect for difficult to wave hair. Works with other Wave Builder products for maximum wave training. Leaves your hair soft, manageable, and shiny, always a natural look. That's wrong. Any fool could tell if you use the wave kit. So using the wave kit, for example, right, it's like wearing fake jewelry. Okay, I purchased something just to show you guys the example. Okay, stay tuned. This right here is my Cuban. You guys see me wear this, you see the diamond setting. Okay, right? It's real. So, if you're a waver, let's say you use this. I do not recommend you at all to use this if you have straight hair. Do not do that, okay? That's not what this video is for, okay? But keep that in mind. So, I wear that necklace. I wear this necklace. I wear this watch and this, right? Now, having a wave kit in your hair, and you call yourself a waver, right? It's like, I picked this up at the mall just for this video. Wearing this right here, okay? You've seen plenty of people walking around with like this. You see this horrible setting? You could tell if this is glass, okay? Just like we could tell that your waves are fake, okay? So, the wave kit in this, throw that out. What? No, don't do it. Do not do it. And if you're a straight head waver and you're considering using a wave kit, don't do it, okay? Don't do it. All you're going to be doing with this is straightening your hair out even more than it already is. So, I don't know how straight your hair is. Mine, like I tell you guys all the time, is 2A and 2B, okay? Facial hair is usually a bit more curly than the hair on your head. So, let's say you have 3 type hair. Your beard is going to be way more curly. Let's say you have a beard, it's going to be super curly. Let's say you have 2A, 2B, right? Your beard is going to be like a 3. So let's say you have 4 type hair. It's just going to be super coarse. So keep that in mind. So when they put a product like this out, this is predominantly for coarse hair wavers, because they already have curls at a super low length. Okay, so if you put this in, which is a texturizer, all you're doing is laying your hair down. When you have coarse hair, this will lay the curls down. So it's a perm, so to speak. You can put curlers in your hair while you're getting a perm and it'll make it curly, but it'll come out, okay? This is like the opposite. You put this in and you brush with it and it straightens your hair out. So you have coarse hair, you put this in, and then you have like, you went from hair type 4 to hair type 3 just by using it. So yes, it's a cheat code. Yes, it's easy. Yes, you could do it in like a day or two if you use it twice. But is it worth it? I mean, girls won't know the difference. Your homies, they will be able to notice. Every waver in the game will be able to notice. They'll call you Kit Man, Kit Kat, must be kidding me, all types of stuff, okay? And you don't want that label on you, because once you have a kit, you always going to be defined as the guy who had the kit. Don't do that. Also, like I just mentioned, the perm thing. A lot of guys ask me about the perm. They're like, hey, can I get a perm and then get waves? Like, okay, let's think about this rationally, okay? Sometimes I read these things and I feel dumber than when I first started, okay? So, I tell you guys, to begin waving, cut your hair low, right? So, how does it make sense? If you get a perm, your hair has to be long. Now, you're putting rollers in your hair. Then, you take the rollers out. Now your hair is curly. Then, you have to cut that hair off that's curly. Start from scratch. Where do you think that the waves are going to be? Honestly. Or let's say you get the perm, right? And you don't cut your hair. And you throw on a do-rag. Now what you have is a bunch of miscellaneous curls all over your head. It's going to look like Fork City. So, that's also not the way to go. So, all I'm going to tell you, no. Don't use a kit. Don't get a perm. There's different brands of these, so don't do that either. And if you wanted to practice, okay, and you do have a beard, use it like that, okay? Because, I mean, not a lot of people have waves in their beard. I've seen a few guys. But, I mean, if you want to see, can I get waves in my beard? Use it on your face. Don't use it on your head. You're going to be the laughing stock of your high school, your job, wherever you're at, college. Doesn't matter. You go out and about, people going to know. You may fool a few people, but the majority of the people will know. Okay? What is this on my head? This is the OG Ocean Views Beauty logo, right? This was the logo before it was improved. And you guys probably know it by the new and improved logo. But this was the OG logo, as you can see. If you'd like to check this out, or a bunch of the other do-rags that are on the website, we actually have designer do-rags just for Christmas. Designer beanies, all types of stuff. So, make sure you check it out. My discount code is Tsunami Timo. You put that in at checkout. Right at the top, right on the discount code, you put Tsunami Timo. Also, if you're new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button. Hit the bell next to the subscribe button. Drop a like, and please drop a comment. And I'll see you guys next week. It's your boy Tsunami Timo, and I'm out.
Sauce. Whoa.